is Vivian. Well, you can see there's an U5 battery in my hand. I will do an unbox for you today and show you what's inside it. Well, here we can see an yellow logo of Laren and the whole box is purple. And inside of this box, we can see there's a battery serial number here. Let's open it. Here, there's power cables and communication cables and battery schools. You can use them. Here's battery menu and a QC report. Now we take this battery out, and here two positive, negative. Battery breaker is not a breaker. It's 125 amps, not a breaker. And here's ADD and drive port. Here's communication ports. That's for inverters, and that's for battery parallel connection. Here you can see the battery serial numbers on the side of the battery, and here's the warning. And let's check the screen. When you receive the battery, the SOC is around 30%. And let's see this parallel sighting. Here you can see Pace, Talon, Grover, Victron, SE, Lux Power, SRD, SMA, Gurui, like that. So there are many brands of inverters you can choose. That's all. All these batteries are in Texas warehouse. If you like it, contact Signature Solar to learn more.